Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be just making a quick video of cleaning your vinyl here. Very important to do twice a year as well. So what you're going to need is pretty simple. It's a mildew stain remover, and it also protects and reconditions. See if we can find some dirt here. Right there, just give it a little spray. You don't have to give much of this. This is good enough. And you just rub it in. Do it the whole way along. That's going to protect it and clean it from the UVs. So you want to do it all around your pop-up. You also want to do it up here on the roof, on the bunk ends. Mine's pretty good because I just did it this spring. So as you can see, it's very nice. Just trying to find a dirty spot here. Here we go. There you go. Shines it up real nice, protects it, cleans it. Here we go. Here's another spot over here. Just give it a... Don't put too much of this stuff because it really goes a long way. You can see now in the sun, I don't know if you can get it, that's really good stuff. See, this twice a year as well. Mildew stain remover, conditioner. Alright guys, so you do all of your surrounding area like this. You also do your top of your bunk ends here with this stuff, and that'll last forever. Alright guys, that's it for this quick video. If you liked the video, please give a thumbs up. If you're new, please subscribe. If you want to leave comments, go ahead. Until next time.